In this video, I'll show you how to change header background color in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over and scroll down right here until you can see the option right here for pages. Click on your pages right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see all the pages that you have. So for example, let's head over and change the header for our whole view, and let's use this on our shop page. Click on this view right here, and then this will direct you to the view page. This is what it looks like. Click on this customize option right here, and then once you have done that, this will actually show you the customization right here, and you can actually change few things on your store. So here it is right here. You can now see the left sidebar, and as you can see, my header is actually white. So if you want to change your header background color, you can head over to this color right here. I'm in here on my active theme is 2020. Click on this colors, and then select color for header and footers. For example, for this one, let's choose something like pink. As you can see, it's been changed. Once you have done that, head over and click on the save changes, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.